I am here in Santa Blanca, and I am just showing what we're going to be playing in this movie. So, starring Dan. This is just we're just showing what we're doing. Ready? Go. Starts now. This will be good.
This will be good. Woo! It's gonna be good.
What are you doing? Okay. Oh, not a bubble.